Good morning everyone.
Good morning, ma'am.
कैसे हैं आप सब?
Fine, ma'am.
So as you know, we have completed our chapter that is nutrition in animals. हो गया है complete?
Yes, ma'am.
Now in the last of the chapter, for a quick recall, we will explain our model of human digestive system today. So आज हम यहाँ पर स्टडी करेंगे वेरियस पार्ट ऑफ ह्यूमन डाइजेस्टिव सिस्टम सो दैट यू कैन रिकॉल योर टॉपिक थॉरली. ठीक है? And as you all know that human digestive system, it is formed of two parts. The first one is alimentary canal and the second one is digestive glands. ठीक है? Alimentary canal is the region where food is actually moving. Tube like structure जहाँ पर आपका food actual move कर रहा है, that is your alimentary canal. While digestive glands are those structure where some juices are secreted and those juices are essential for the digestion of food. So actual में digestive gland में आपका food जाता नहीं है, पर उनके कुछ juices जो हैं वो alimentary canal में add on होते हैं ताकि process of digestion क्या हो सके, अच्छे से हो सके. Now you are going to explain all the parts of the digestive system, and for the first part, that is your buccal cavity, I am going to call Najma and Afnan here on the stage.
So we will explain you what's mouth. Mouth is also called buccal cavity. Food taken in the mouth with the help of hand. This process is called ingestion. We know that our digestion starts from mouth with the help of saliva. And mouth contains three things: salivary glands, teeth, and tongue. Salivary gland secretes saliva. Tongue makes saliva with food to make the food smooth. And tongue also helps us to speak. Then the food goes in esophagus. Esophagus is a long tube. It's about 12 centimeters long, and food node goes. Esophagus is also called food part. When food goes, it contracts, relaxes, then this process is called peristalsis.
Very good. ओके, वेरी वेल अफनान एंड नजमा. तो जैसा कि इन्होंने एक्सप्लेन किया, यू कैन सी हेयर इन दिस मॉडल कि यहाँ पर ये आपका रीजन जो है ये शो किया हुआ है. दिस इज योर कंप्लीट बकल कैविटी. एंड अगर मैं यहाँ पर निकाल दूं, दिस इज अ पार्ट ऑफ योर रेस्पिरेटरी सिस्टम. तो अगर मैं इसे रिमूव कर देती हूँ आराम से, सो यहाँ पर आपको नेक रीजन में ये चीज आपको जो दिखाई देगी, दिस इज योर ईसोफेगस. ओके, और इसी सेम पार्ट से आपकी रेस्पिरेटरी ट्यूब भी क्रॉस होती है. एंड यहाँ पर दोनों का कॉमन क्या है, कॉमन ओपनिंग है. एंड दिस रीजन इज कॉल्ड योर फेरिंग्स. ओके ओके, नाउ फॉर द नेक्स्ट पार्ट, शहजाद एंड तबस्सुम कम ऑन द स्टेज. आ जाइए बच्चा आप लोग.
So we will explain you what is stomach. Stomach is a sac-like organ which temporarily stores food and digests it. It has three parts. One is it is J-shaped organ. It's the widest organ of the alimentary canal. It has three parts: fundus, body, and pyloric part. Fundus is the upper part of the stomach, which is filled with gases, and body is the middle part of the stomach, which is the main part of stomach, and there the digestion takes place. And last one is pyloric part. Pyloric part is connected with the small intestine. In stomach, there is both mechanical and chemical digestion. Mechanical digestion, it simply means which is the contraction and relaxation of stomach muscles, which is also known as churning. And chemical digestion, which is by enzymes. There are two types of enzymes in our stomach: pepsinogen and renine.
Okay.
It has three components: mucus, gastric gland is HCl acid. Mucus protects the inner wall of the stomach from HCl acid. HCl acid kills many bacteria in our stomach and activates the enzyme that digests the food.
Okay. Okay, now here we will see where actually stomach is located. आप पार्ट्स ओपन करिए और हटा के एक बार दिखाइए. पहले रेस्पिरेटरी वाली चीजें हटाओ बच्चा. आराम से आराम से. Okay.
It's our stomach.
Okay, this is the stomach, J-shaped, and if you see, it is actually located here. So this is the actual location of stomach. You can see here it is a J-shaped structure, and this part is called your abdominal cavity. इस region को क्या कहते हैं हम? Abdominal cavity. Okay. The next part, that is liver, and here Arslan and Yasin is going to explain that. Start, beta.
So we will explain you some points about liver. It's triangular shaped organ. It is largest gland of the organ of the body.
Very good.
It secretes the juice, digestive juice called bile juice. The bile juice stores in the gallbladder and goes through the bile duct.
Very good.
It's the reddish brown color, situated in the upper part of the abdomen.
Good. मॉडल में कहाँ पर दिख रहा है आपको? मॉडल में दिखाइए
This is liver.
आराम से. Okay. So as you can see, it is a triangular shape. Very good. And reddish brown structure. Okay. So for the next part, that is pancreas, Huzaif and Saqib will come on the stage. आइए.
So, what is pancreas? It's a leaf-like structure.
Pancreas secretes pancreatic juice.
Very good.
It is beneath the stomach.
Very good. Location beneath the stomach है. Pancreatic juice enter कहाँ करता है? करता है juice?
And small intestine.
Very good. और वहाँ पर क्या काम कर रहा है?
Basically.
बेसिक मीडियम प्रोवाइड कर रहा है. वेरी गुड. नाउ फॉर द नेक्स्ट पार्ट आ जाइए बच्चा. फॉर द नेक्स्ट पार्ट, दैट इज स्मॉल इंटेस्टाइन. तौसीफ एंड साजिद विल कम ऑन द स्टेज. चलिए बताइए बच्चा.
Small intestine is a tube-like structure in our
Good.
body. It is about 5 meters to 6 meters long.
It do the work of absorbing energy from the food in our body. This process is called absorption.
It contains some juices called industrial juice.
ओके.
It contains a finger-like structure called bile.
Those are the small finger-like processes in the inner wall of in small intestine. It
Increases the.
is the surface area for absorption in our body.
Very good.
It is made up of muscles and there are many veins connected to it.
वेरी गुड. अच्छा, स्मॉल इंटेस्टाइन में एक तो आपने बताया इंटेस्टिनल जूस है. अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट और कौन कौन से ऑर्गन के जूस यहाँ एंटर करते हैं? बाइल जूस फ्रॉम लिवर एंड पेनक्रियाटिक जूस फ्रॉम पेनक्रियाज. वेरी गुड. कम नाउ फॉर द नेक्स्ट पार्ट. दैट इज लार्ज इंटेस्टाइन. महराज विल कम ऑन द स्टेज. आइए. बोलिए बच्चा.
अस्सलाम वालेकुम. आज हम बात करने वाले हैं लार्ज इंटेस्टाइन. द लार्ज इंटेस्टाइन इज wider and shorter than the small intestine. और ये एलिमेंट्री कैनल का लास्ट पार्ट है. It is about 1.5 meter length. और ये वाटर एंड सॉल्ट को एब्जॉर्ब करता है.
वेरी गुड. वेरी गुड.
और जो इसका वेस्ट है वो पास into the ants.
Okay, good. So here you can see in this model, this one is your large intestine and this one is your small intestine. It is called small because the diameter is less than the large intestine, but it is long and highly coiled to increase the surface area of absorption. And large intestine, it is small in length, but the diameter is wide, and because of that it is called large intestine. So this is the complete मॉडल ऑफ योर डाइजेस्टिव सिस्टम. आप लोगों ने बहुत अच्छा एक्सप्लेन किया. इन द नेक्स्ट क्लास वी विल टेक वन मोर मॉडल ऑफ अमीबा फ्रॉम द सेम चैप्टर एंड आफ्टर दैट वी विल प्ले अ क्वेश्चन एंड आंसर सेशन विद यू. ओके, तो नेक्स्ट क्लास में हम क्वेश्चन आंसर सेशन प्ले करेंगे. ओके, थैंक यू.